Well, you remember the last video we tried the Gyeon Bathe Plus, and that was on a unpolished car, an untreated car, and this car here is polished but not waxed. Welcome to a new, well, I don't know, detailing business day at my garage here, and we are going to wash this little car here.
Yeah.
And well, yeah, he has air suspension, and that's a very good thing because my car can't come into the garage without the wooden planks. So today, wrong key. Today we are going to wash the car and take it a deep clean, and it's super dark in here, and we're in a bit of rush, so let's pack the things down and go to the wash. Remember the last video we tried the Gyeon Bathe Plus, and that was on a unpolished car, an untreated car, and this car here is polished but not waxed, so I think that's a perfect test subject for the shampoo. So we have this polished car with no wax on, and I really don't know what to think about the Gyeon Bathe Plus, but well, you decide. washed, non-washed. So, well, it's up to you guys if you like the Gyeon Bathe Pluff with well, only hand wash a car without any wax on a polished car. So here's the results. Well, the plan now for the car, now when we are in the garage, we are going to dry it with a towel and then do the glass sealant. Well, the windshield water repellent chemical is done, and now we are going to spray wax the car with this one. And every product we are going to use in this video or have used is linked in the description below. Well, the car is finished and it's looking very, very good. We have only washed the car and placed some hybrid wax, some ceramic hybrid wax-ish. It's super shiny, and nothing more to say than if you like the video, press the subscribe button and place a comment. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Perfect!